Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Shivani and this is my channel where I create beauty and skincare content for all of you. For the ones who are already subscribed to my channel, sorry I've been away for some time now. Life has happened, a lot has happened. I'm going to update you all on a separate video altogether because I have lots to share. For now, I've come here to share 5 points that can be beneficial for all the oily, acne prone skin type people like me right now. I myself struggle with a lot of oil and acne on my skin, so I just thought that why not come here and quickly share all these points with you all. I'll be as quick as I can, so without wasting, oh wait, if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please first subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification button so that you guys don't miss out on anything that I put out. Now without wasting any time, let me quickly take you to the video. Okay guys, so before I start, I really want to tell you all that I'm not an expert. I'm just very passionate about skincare. I am a skincare enthusiast, not an expert, and all these points that I'm going to talk about today are out of my own experience, something with which I've seen the difference in my skin. So that is why only I'm sharing this, thinking that it will help you guys also, because you know, I've seen so many people talk about so many generic things, you know, so many things that we can read about, that you know 1,000 people are already talking about, but I just felt that these are the very little minute details of life which does not get enough attention. I just thought that, you know, since I did this and this made sense to my skin, I must share it with you guys. So that's all I'm going to do. I said I'm going to make it very quick. Okay, the first thing that I'm talking about is toners. I know a lot of debate is already going on about how we don't need toners anymore, how they are useless, how we already have other range of products that take care of our pH level. But here we are talking about oily, acne prone skin. Okay, with my own experience, I think toners are very important because we are talking about open pores, we are talking about big pores, we are talking about clogged pores, you know. So I think toners are very important, guys. You need it for your pores, you know, forget the pH level, you need it for your pores. The second thing that I'm going to talk about is about using gel based products. I've tried my best to change the cream based products and you know, opted for the gel based ones, and I have to tell you that if you are acne prone oily skin, please opt for gel based products, because oil based or cream based products, they really clog your pores, you know, they make your skin oilier. So it's just not good for your skin. Try and stay away from oil based or cream based products. Okay, the third thing that I'm going to talk about is please use soap free cleansers. If you are like me who is really acne prone, please apply soap free cleanser on your face, because I think the cleansers with soap makes your acne worse. They really dry out your acne and they just irritate it, they just, you know, make it very bad. So if you can, please stay away from soap and it will really transform your skin. I can guarantee you that. Fourth point is don't over exfoliate your skin. I know because of the oil, because of the acne, we are constantly worried about our skin. We constantly want to clean it. We try our best to give it the best treatment, but over exfoliating it is making it worse. Okay, twice in a week scrubbing your skin is fine. I think it is required given the place and the time that we live in today, but you know, don't over exfoliate, don't scrub it every other day, or don't over steam your face. That will worsen your pores and hence it will worsen your acne. So try and not over exfoliate your skin. The last point that I am going to talk about is something that I've experienced myself in a very bad magnitude, and I thought that I must you know, speak about it. Don't apply toothpaste on your acne. I know a lot of people tell you that it's a जुगाड़, please apply a toothpaste, कल सुबह तक acne चला जाएगा, नहीं जाता है. Okay, I know it may work for some people, but I'll tell you, I'll show you a photograph. Look at this. This is what toothpaste did to my face. I just had some little bumps and some redness going on, so I thought I'll just apply the toothpaste and it will be okay next day, you know, before it becomes like a full bloomed acne. I'll just stop it right there. And just look at it, what it did to my skin. Don't apply toothpaste. And if you are really dying to apply the toothpaste, then please do like a patch test by applying it only on one acne and see if it works for you or not, and then only go like full-fledged. Don't be stupid like me. I just applied it all over, and the next day I woke up and I was horrified. I was like, I must speak about it. Toothpaste is to brush your teeth, not to apply on your acne. That's it, guys. I told you I'm going to be really quick, and I think I was. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video. I really hope it was beneficial for you in some way or the other. If it was, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to receive a feedback, and I'm going to see you guys really soon. You guys have an amazing day today. Lots of love to each one of you.